Alright, as you can see here, yeah, it's very crowded on the street lah. This is my house here. And you can see from here, 5th floor, come see down. It's so damn crowded. Okay, maybe sorry for the lighting because since it's dark at night. So, and my phone is using an N80 phone, so not much of a lighting here. Yeah, it's zooming out. It's because of the news, right? They're saying about the what's that called? Sorry, the tree. The tree, my neighborhood here, right? There's one tree. The bug dropped. Then someone revealing it. The tree. There's monkey faces on it. There's one mother monkey and one baby monkey. All right. That's from 2 days ago. All right. 2 days ago, you can see here. 2 days ago, and it's still so damn crowded. Yeah, I tell you, so damn crowded. You know, it's like this is Jurong West Street 42. All right. And it's never been so crowded, you know. Okay, maybe sometimes but then not as crowded as this, right? Damn funny right? That's 2 days ago, the first tree. The second day, which was yesterday, right? We can see right on the second tree. They say the second tree they found some images, so even more people. Now the third day, there's the third and fourth tree. They found something. Lucky was on the third and fourth tree. Yeah. So in total, right, they say they found 4 images on 4 trees. So it's kind of funny I don't even know why Alright. Yeah, continue tomorrow with morning one. You see how crowded them is. Since now it's at night.